If you tie my hands behind my back, I'll still be holding you, rewarding you. If you cover my ears so I can't hear and know just what you said inside my head, I can breathe underwater, I can touch the highest star, I can run 1,000 miles, no matter how far. I can breathe underwater, I can cross the wide sea, I can move any mountain just because you love me. I can breathe
Welcome to the magic sound of the Typewriter.